In this video, we'll be showing you how to save hundreds of dollars by you servicing your BMW right in your own driveway. We'll be showing you how to change spark plugs, we'll be showing you how to change your oil, and how to change your air filters. Follow along this video as we show you how to change your cabin air filter and your engine air filter. One very important aspect of a full BMW service is an air filter, especially with all this smoke in the air and dust and ash and nastiness going through the air and you're trying to drive through that and suck it into your engine. So I have this filter from FCP Euro, which is where I got all the rest of my stuff for the service. And yeah, let's install it. Please excuse my dirty engine bay. Undo a couple of these little clips here, don't lose them. They're not really attached on well. There's two there, one here, and then one underneath here. Oh, the old filter, let's see how nasty it is. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's so gross. Okay, yeah, this is just gross. Very, very good thing. Oh, even when I dropped it, you can see dust going everywhere. And then, yeah, it's that simple, just pop it in. And I'm just going for a regular OEM filter because I don't have any performance mods on it yet, so have any extra airflow. Although it's always great. Make sure it's all nicely seated down before you do the clips. And 1, 2, 3, 4. That's air filter done. Cabin air filter. This video is sponsored by Smash and Smash's friend, Squish. Okay, so first step of replacing the cabin air filter is to remove this whole bottom panel under here, which includes an airbag, so I'll have to undo some clips. You'll need a 10mm socket, and there's 2 bolts up there and there. Not bolts, sorry, nuts. You just pop the nuts out, and then it'll all nicely start coming down. Get that out, kneel on it, like a genius. Seen some cabin air filters where it's super easy to change. It's just a little panel you unclip and pull out. This one not quite so easy. I'm just slowly pulling this down out of its clips. There's a couple of clips here. They just easily pop out. And this whole piece just kind of slowly, just do it slowly so it doesn't break anything, just comes out, just like so. You need to unclip the little light here. Put your finger on it and just slide it out. There's no little tabs you need to be pressing or anything. Little T20 screw just in here. I'm just undoing. If I can undo it. There's one more right here. And then this whole curved piece should slide off once you push the tab back. And just fiddle with it a little bit. Should just come right down, just like so. Wow, that's dirty. So I'm just gonna pull it down out of here. It's a curved one. There, look how nasty that is. That's the stuff I've been breathing in. As you can see here, there's an arrow here. The arrow points towards the front of the car. That's the direction of the filter. So on the new one, we'll have to make sure we do that. But look at this filter. All that stuff in there. That is seriously disgusting. I don't know if this filter's ever been changed. Again, this filter's from FCP Euro, and you can actually replace them. FCP Euro has a full lifetime replacement warranty, like hassle-free. So you just have to fill out a form, and when this gets dirty in 10,000 kilometers, they suggest, then first of all, I buy a new one. They send it to me, and then I send this one back to them in the same packaging, and they'll give me my money back. And just do it for the oil changes, with the filter, any of this stuff, even spark plugs, literally anything except for like a spray aerosol, which you can't really send back. But yeah, that's pretty cool. Arrows go right there, so you want that towards the front of the car. Just bend it a little bit. Look at the difference. Okay, it's kind of hard to see, but look how nasty this is. So let's try to curve it and try to get it in here. I'm not sure how much you guys will be able to see. I'm kind of not really able to see either. There. Slowly. Make sure the arrow's right direction. Yep, arrow's towards the front of the car. That pops in there nicely. And then this. Don't try to undo these wires here. A lot of wires in there. I'm not sure where they go, what it attaches to, but pin here will just go through there right beside the screw. This little tab here pops up into place, and then we just have to put the 2 screws in. Okay, so now I'm just gonna plug the light in here, and you just have to make sure that this goes over the one tab. There's a spot they're supposed to slide over, and same with this. And then apart from that, just pop it back into place. This piece has a spot that needs to slide behind this one right here, so just make sure you get that in nicely as well. But yeah, just clip them all into place, put the 2 screws back in there. After that, you're finished. So that's 2 filters done. At a dealership, they probably would have charged you an hour's labor for that, which is probably like an extra $120 on top of the price of the already up-priced filters. 10 minutes to replace the 2. Hopefully you found that video helpful. We'll leave the link in the description to the different filters that we used. Please make sure you give a big thumbs up to the video and subscribe, and leave any questions or comments that you have down below. Have a wonderful day.